In early 2023, there was a suicide case in Pakistan. It was of a man named Muhammad Masood. In his note to his wife, he explained that he took loan from an app to pay his rent. As several months ago, he lost his job. But now the representatives of those apps were now harassing him and forcing him to pay the loan with the high interest. Due to this case, a serious government crackdown took place, closing offices of several illegal loan apps and removing them from Google Play Store. But during it we found several other cases similar like Muhammad Masood, where the customer took a loan with low interest, but then was contacted to pay all of it with huge interest, or else their data will be made public. In a recent survey it was found that in Pakistan, out of 100 finance apps, 27 of them were loan apps like these. In those 27, the top 8 were downloaded 14 million times. Compare this to other official banking apps of Pakistan that were downloaded only 4.4 million times. Highlighting a serious black business happening in the country. In this video we will understand how these apps work and how we can identify the real ones. Before we understand how these apps work, we need to understand how a legal loan app work and make money. A loan app is a mobile application that allows people to borrow money quickly and easily using their smartphones. You can apply for a loan through the app, and if approved, the money is usually sent directly to your bank account. Later, you repay the loan with interest over time through the app. That's how they generally work. Other ways for them to earn will be late payment fees. Loan apps may charge penalties or late fees if a borrower misses a payment or fails to repay the loan on time. Remember, this is a bit different from interest, where interest is mandatory when loan is paid, but this fee is optional unless you pay it late. Subscription or membership fees. Some loan apps offer premium services or features that require a subscription or membership fee. For example, they may provide access to larger loans, lower interest rates, or financial management tools. Cross-selling financial products. Loan apps often cross-sell other financial products, such as insurance, investment products, or credit monitoring services. Affiliate marketing. Loan apps may partner with other companies, earning a commission for referring users to other financial services, like credit cards, savings accounts, or investment platforms. This is how a loan app will mostly work. There can be other form of them like Buy Now Pay Later, which is done by Klarna from Sweden and EasyPaisa from Pakistan. And then there is peer-to-peer lending, where actually a user can lend money to another user and receive the interest. Apps like Zappa from UK work like this. The conclusion about these legal loan apps will be: legal loan apps are clear and honest about how they make money, showing you all the fees and rules up front. In next part we will talk about how illegal apps will work. The primary source of income, as you can expect, is the interest you have to pay. Now how these apps work are simple. You have to pay literally lowest interest possible. That's what they show you in the ads. People get easily attracted to it. As getting a loan from an official bank is hard, as there will be a lot of documentation and verification. Most importantly, your financial status will be determined before loan issued to you. What these apps just do is just a copy of your identity card and nothing more. And you get the loan, making person more attracted towards it. During installing it, these apps asks you for permission to get access to your contacts and data, which other official banks are not allowed to do. But without thinking much, people give access and then they send you loan immediately. After that their real game starts. After few days, even when there is still time, their officials will call you and force you to pay now with more interest. Or else they will warn you that they will call your friend and relatives and harass them to force you to give money. Not only in Pakistan, these apps also did their business in India, Indonesia, and Bangladesh, scamming so many people. Thankfully, after the suicide of the Muhammad Masood, government finally took notice, and took serious notice against this app. The Securities and Exchange Commission of Pakistan, SECP, has so far blocked 132 illegal apps to safeguard the public from illicit loan sharks. Remember, as we mentioned before, the legal apps did exist. And we mentioned how they work. The best way to avoid these apps is to search your country's government financial institute and get their whitelist. For example, from Pakistan, this SECP document shows all the apps that are considered legal in Pakistan. No matter whatever happens, never install any app that asks your permission to get access for your contacts and images. No bank is allowed to do that. And remember, even though getting loan from these banks is hard, it is still better than letting someone to get access to your contacts.